Is Bitcoin ready to rip up and hit new all-time highs, or do we need to be careful? I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to show you the gator that we caught this morning. Let's talk about it. Hey guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. Some of you might want to look away, but yes, that is an alligator. We've been out here in Florida alligator hunting with our buddy, and we finally got one today. So, yep, season tag, all that kind of stuff. It's just like deer hunting, but alligators. So, anyway, I just thought to make a quick video. We're taking this alligator down to the processing plant, but I just want to say hi to everybody. Hope you guys have an amazing day. FOMC meeting happened yesterday. Interest rates were decreased by 0.5%, and that was a good thing. There was a big pump in the markets, but be careful. Historically, after interest rates lower, you have a couple months of probably upward action, and then you could have a big decline. That's historically kind of what's happened. Usually it's probably engineered here before these elections. So there could be a nice run up here in just a bit. I'll put a few pictures of the gator if you guys are curious about this. But remember guys, it doesn't matter if crypto is pumping or dumping, you can make money in both directions. I'll make a little video clip showing you that. We're about ready to go take this gator over to the processor. We'll see you in a minute. All right, hey, let's take a look at the charts really quick. I'm looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart, and this is a specific chart that we use in the Crypto Code. It is our special support and resistance with some indicators that will give us our buy and sell signals. Now, remember in crypto goes in waves. Prices always move in a wave. If you guys can see this, these are waves, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then we have larger waves, up and down, up and down, up and down. And in crypto, you want to remember that you need to think in 3 dimensions. Price is either going to go up, it's going to go down, or it's going to go sideways. And remember the key rules. You always want to buy on red, buy when it's red, and sell when it's green. Buy on red, sell when it's green. Some people say like buy low and sell high, but they get that confused because they think that they just have to wait for for the market. They do the opposite. They wait for markets are pumping. Right now you see Bitcoin is 63,276. But let me show you something here on this chart. So what you see here is historical support and resistance lines. So the resistance is the ceiling above, and see how we have many lines here. This is the support. So right now Bitcoin is trying to punch above that 63,000 mark, and there's a lot of really historical levels of support that it's trying to break through. Now, if it breaks through this level, it's going to go to the next level above. And if it breaks through that, it's going to go to the next level above. And if it breaks through that, it's going to go to the next level above. But then this is kind of cool right here. If we break above 65, boom, this thing is going to shoot up most likely back up to 67, and it'll do it quickly. Now, the inverse is also the same. If we bounce back down, it'll fall back down through these levels through here. And remember, price is always moving in a wave. So we could go up and up this way, or we could potentially go down. Now we are trending up, but if I put this on a daily chart, I want you guys to see this because this is really important to understand. On the daily chart, we are still in this downward trending slope, but we're starting just to peak above it, but we haven't gone up enough yet. So we're kind of at this critical moment. So I know everyone's excited, crypto's pumping right now, but for me, I just look at the volatility and I make money as we are going through these waves, both longing and shorting the markets. I love this kind of volatility. Volatility is your friend. I'll show you some of the trades that I've closed out just the last couple days here. Let me go ahead and bring this up for you. So you can see here, this is HNT, and we try to get these 2 to 4% multiple times a day. So within 5 hours, made 22 bucks. This was a $1,000 trade. There's one trade that backed down, another HNT same day. That was a 4-day trade. It did back off with the stop loss, maybe $5. And then same thing with along with ICP. It backed me off into what's called a stop loss, but that still made me $5. instead of taking a loss. Here was one that took 16 hours, 35 bucks. And this is all automated, by the way, both long and short trades. There's bonk, 37 bucks. Pay more attention to the percentages. There's a 3.7 gain, 4.78 on Brett. Again, that took 5 hours, made a quick 48 bucks. Abe, 16 hours, 35 bucks, 3.56%. There's Sats. So we just do this day in and day out, guys, where you can both profit long and short in these waves. So that's the most important. Price doesn't matter, percentages do. And if you can sit there and do lots of 2 to 4% multiple times a day on multiple cryptos, it really starts to add up. The last thing is compounding it. So what we do is I'll take $1,000 and then I'll make these profits, these $38, $48, and then we put it right back into the trade and then they compound it. And it really adds up over time. So people ask me like, what are the possibilities? Well, it's like taking $1,000 and doubling it every single month. And if you start to put a calculator to that, you realize that this can add up really fast. And it's important to understand where your major support and resistance levels are. So everyone's really excited right now. We have a lot of support to bounce down, but most likely we're going to go ahead and play around up and down, but we are trending up. Let's go on a 4-hour really quick and take a look at this. You can see that we printed an up arrow. 4-hour, we've started to turn green here. Again, same thing. We have to respect these zones. Let's take this out on an 8-hour as well. You can see that we're getting to a really good spot here where a potential trend change. We're probably going to print arrow here really closely. We're battling that. Let's go to a 12-hour. Yeah, 12 hours, same thing, guys. So we're in this channel here. If you drew 2 lines right here, you can see we're in this widening channel here. And most likely these will break up to the upside. So there's a good chance that we are going to bust through this. Now, I want to remind you, if you've taken your trades at these buy zones, like many of our students have, if you grab these buy zones, take your profits on the way up. Buy when it's red, sell when it's green, rinse and repeat. Buy when it's red, sell when it's green. If you want to short the markets, you sell when it's green and buy back when it's red. All right, guys, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. Hope you guys are doing amazingly well. I'll put some of the Gator pictures here after this. As always, take massive action in your life, anything you do. We'll see you guys under the video. Bye-bye.
Of course, the wind stopped now too.
That's what you call Gator on. Ben, what you got on the end of that pole?
Big old gator.
Big old gator.
3 or 4 in them before.
There's that gator. There it is.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.